I'm Gabby from Finch Constructions, and we're here today at this Hampton-Inspired pool house, which was custom designed and built for enjoyment all year round. Part of our client's brief was to design a convenient and comfortable space for a kids' retreat and extra storage, while also creating a serene and inviting ambience for hosting and entertaining guests. The high cathedral ceilings give the pool house a wonderful sense of space and light, creating an airy and tranquil place to relax. This kitchenette was built in collaboration with Niche Kitchens. It includes soft green cabinetry in Laminex bay leaf and stone bench tops. This complements the feel of this Hampton-inspired space due to its simplicity, function and appeal. The simplicity of the bathroom provides both form and function whilst also complementing the rest of the design. The Manor Mint feature tiles from Ceramica Tiles and Design work perfectly, mirroring the soft green cabinetry in the kitchenette adjacent. Tapware and bathroom fixtures were custom selected with Reese bathrooms. The brushed nickel finishes are cohesive throughout. Care and attention to detail is seen throughout the entire structure, both internally and externally. The pool house remains simple, elegant and connected to its surroundings, adding a real splash of luxury to the backyard. The exterior finish of this home is cladded with James Hardie linear weatherboard and painted in Tranquil Retreat by Dulux. This neutral grey provides soft and subtle warmth, achieving an inviting feel.